In this tutorial, we'll learn about Perplexity, its basic features and available plans. By the end, you'll understand how it works and which plan might suit your needs. Perplexity provides a variety of features designed to help users find information, organize ideas, and complete tasks more efficiently. The platform combines simple tools for asking questions with more advanced capabilities that support content management, customization, and automation. Users can explore topics, save and structure their work, and refine how information is gathered and presented. In addition, Perplexity is built to handle both quick lookups and more in-depth research. For example, in the chat box, you can ask something like, create a Python lesson plan for students to learn step by step. Perplexity will then generate a structured response that breaks the topic into manageable sections, often starting with basic concepts and gradually moving to more advanced topics. This makes it especially useful for learning, teaching, or planning educational content, as it can quickly organize information into clear, easy to follow steps. In addition, Perplexity is designed to adapt to different workflows, whether you're a student, professional, or casual user. Its features allow for better organization of information, smoother navigation between tasks, and more control over how results are generated and used. This flexibility makes it a useful tool not only for learning and research but also for planning, brainstorming, and productivity. Perplexity also offers various models that users can choose from depending on their needs. These models are designed to handle different types of tasks, such as quick answers, detailed explanations, or more advanced reasoning. Some models focus on speed and simplicity, while others are better suited for deeper research, coding, or complex problem solving. This flexibility allows users to select the model that best fits their task, making the overall experience more efficient and tailored to different use cases. Perplexity also offers subscription plans, such as Pro and Max, which give users access to more advanced features. These plans are designed for people who need more powerful tools for research, deeper responses, and enhanced capabilities compared to the free version. By upgrading, users can unlock additional models, faster performance, and more flexibility when working on complex tasks. This makes the platform more suitable for professionals, students, or anyone who needs a higher level of support for learning, research, or productivity. Now you've successfully gotten an overview of Perplexity, including its main features, different models, and subscription plans. You should now have a better understanding of how it works and how it can be used for research, learning, and productivity. As you continue exploring the platform, you'll discover even more tools that can help you organize information, generate ideas, and complete tasks